Up next is the 2018 Springfield Darkhorse from Indian Motorcycles. Tell it doesn't have a fairing or the stereo or electronics. Has the more traditional, older styling and the big old windshield. In color Thunder Black Smoke with a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine and a 6-speed transmission, it's set for touring. Lots of room in these lockable saddlebags. Extremely comfortable going down the highway or through the twisties. Available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.